Hi guys, we are the creators of Slimy Slime Shop.
And today we're gonna make slime for her.
And we're gonna be using glue. How much glue you want? I'm gonna be doing blue, but you can do it. I'm gonna do Bimini blue. And you can use any color you want. You can also use this.
Last time for the last customer we used red.
This color. This is
red.
One.
Pink.
Red.
Pink.
And
it looks like pink.
And we're also gonna be using this silver glitter
For her.
And we're not gonna use all of it. Like seriously, for that one, we didn't use all of it either. So yeah,
We usually only
you don't
this
use
much.
Exactly, and it makes really pretty.
Okay.
We're gonna need Dawn dish soap, Tide, some clear glue,
and some shaving cream.
Let's get on to this video.
Blah.
Okay. So first, we're gonna be doing
1 teaspoon.
half teaspoon.
No, what?
Half teaspoon for the Dawn. Right?
No, first goes down for 1 teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
I remember our recipe.
Shit.
I really do. See? I'll show you.
Here's me. Fine.
It was 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
I'm always correct.
No, she's not.
I'm not really. I was just exaggerating.
Okay, so I'm already gonna fill this.
That's good.
Ow!
Can I mix it? Oh, wait, are you okay? Can I mix it?
No.
Okay.
You can mix it tight. Actually, you mix this one.
No, you pour it in.
Okay, yeah, you're mixing.
I'm gonna mix for the tie too, can I?
No.
No?
I'm mixing for tight. And it feels like,
It's
mix
already-
it slow. Mix it slow, please. I have a technique of making it a little bit clear. If you mix it slow, then it will kind of turn clear. So you don't have to wait for it to be really clear.
Wait, if you set it aside, it comes kind of clear.
Yeah, so it won't turn as clear as
Clear as you want it, like clear slime.
Yeah.
Clear glue. Look at this. Guys, look at it.
It looks like it's ready.
Show
but
the audience.
I'm trying to. I can't get it off the bowl. It's sticky. It's like on the side of the bowl. Okay, now get off. So yeah, this is just for Dawn dish soap. Maybe you can just go ahead and just make slime. But we're gonna
No,
follow
really, it's
our
gonna be
recipe.
really sticky. So
Yeah,
no.
it's gonna be sticky. So you might want to actually. Then. Then we're gonna use half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of Tide. You can use sensitive. We would like to use sensitive, but it was way too much.
It was very expensive. So, you know, there's this bottle of... Okay? I'll talk.
Okay.
There's this bottle of Tide that's this small and only for $6. And the Tide sensitive one, the clear one, it is really... It's like this big and like $12. That is not reasonable at all. Well, this is reasonable. And even if it was this side, it would be like $10.
But it does. It makes it clear.
It does make sense.
It's clear, but it's supposed to have less money. Because this one, they have to add some type of coloring in it or something.
Yeah, they had to add something that makes sense.
So, yeah, that doesn't make sense at
Or
all.
maybe they just had to like add
It's so
something
sticky.
to make it white, clear. So
Wait, you added Tide?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can we add some glue? I really want to add some glue. It's really
This
warm.
is lipstick.
it is.
Kind of. Don't worry, I'll work.
Here,
Lipstick.
can I mix it because it's kind of like watery? So.
This bottle is lipstick paint.
Can I see that?
It's like kind of
Whoa. Want to feel it in here?
After it's ready.
Okay.
Okay. That's actually what I would do too, but I'm kind of making it so. Hold on, Kishish.
I'm so excited to put in the fire. I can color Eva.
Okay. Just one drop.
Sorry.
Don't worry, okay? It's the blue you want.
Are you sure? Oh my gosh, guys. I got the blue finger.
The blue touch.
The blue touch.
The Midas touch.
Hey, stop! Cheese touch! Hey, I already did it.
Oh.
Cheese touch! You got the cheese touch.
You cannot touch me. please. This actually is really pretty. Thank you.
See, I told ya.
It's
Wait, the blue is actually glittery.
It's
Wow.
it's kind of
But
very
it's too
actually.
sticky. On the stick.
It's supposed to be this much, so. So there you go. And
Here,
now
let's add some glitter. I really want to add. Where's the scissors? Can I add a lot of glitter?
I mean, it's gonna be for me. So.
It depends on you. Tell me when to stop, okay?
Oh, it's okay. It depends on me.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stop.
I'll tell you more if I need more.
Oh, yay! Who wants some glitter?
Me. Not me. Me.
Oh.
I got slow.
For sure.
It's not
Have a
coming.
little bit more glitter, please.
Because I don't have some.
Enough glitter.
Because I don't have any.
Okay, fine.
I'll tell you when to stop. A little bit more. Thank you.
But I don't have glitter. I don't either, see?
Guys, don't waste the silver one. It's very pretty.
That's all. I have no.
Jigo, what do you want?
Get a good then.
I only got this much.
Well, that's good.
Why did you do that? You gave me more glitter, actually.
Guys, look. This is so
I
pretty.
really like that. I want
I know,
that.
right?
I want that. I
It
really
is
want
so
that.
pretty. I actually
I'm gonna
love-
choose that next time.
Exactly.
It looks
I
so
actually,
pretty.
it's
But what
act-
if you try it with purple?
Purple might work as well, but this is the last time we're working today. So,
Aww.
Kashish.
This
Fine.
is.
Look, guys, it is amazing. Like, you can see silver glitter.
Ow.
Now I'll be the video next
Done
down.
eating.
Now you're making my slime. No.
Ashwarya, you're just wasting it.
Fine.
You're
fine.
the one who's wasting it. Now you're blaming it on other people. Stop.
That's what you're doing too. When you were getting. You didn't. Oh my gosh, it's on me.
It's on you too. Hey, stop.
Get off me! And I want to make it a little bit puffy.
Puffy,
There's a light some puffy.
Fluffy. Oh wait,
Fluffy.
Can you add some?
So we're gonna add some barb in
Add some
the
fluffiness.
Barbie.
in Barbasol. It's
Barbie,
the
Barbie.
Barbasol original shaving cream. Don't use shaving foam because literally doesn't do anything. Or shaving gel.
Oh wait. Let me. You put it in yours, okay? I have to get ready for mine.
She's doing something.
Taking all the glitter.
That's Siba.
Oops. Guys, literally I had way too much.
Oh wait, I'll take some from you.
Yes, thank you. Are you sure you don't need more? Because literally I took way too much. Take some from me. This is too much. I think my glitter is fading
I'm
now.
so laughing. I learned to laugh.
don't do that. Shaving cream. Take it from my hand. Take it from my hand. No. We have background people, audience, and they like it, right?
Yeah,
It
looks
looks
good. It
like
looks so pretty.
frozen color.
Oh yeah, it looks like ice color.
Yeah, the one from Frozen.
Okay, I'm gonna make this lighter into pink. I really like your thing. I'm just so jealous.
She is jealous. Guys, and I added shaving cream, kind of made it more lighter and more.
that.
Hi.
Okay, then make that.
It's too much for this small one, so you'll give it.
Lipstick.
No, I'm gonna use it in my medium.
Everyone has lipstick. It's a
Thank
teddy
you
bear.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment,
How can
please
they like it?
comment and share.
Share.
And please,
And please tell the world about our website in
Please.
Barbasol.
and Barbasol is the same.
Put cherry cream on the face.
And also,
Ready? Oh
Say
wait. Finish making.
And- oh my gosh, are you making it pink?
Yeah.
She's adding a lot shaving cream so she can make it a lighter color.
Like her.
And she likes
Thank you for watching our
popcorn,
video.
and she likes
And you can subscribe so you can get some good slime deals to on our website. On our website.
And people who comment will get
We'll
extra
do a
coupons.
giveaway away in a couple of days. Okay?
Weeks.
Weeks, actually.
Weeks.
Yeah,
Okay.
weeks.
Oh no, it's
Bye-bye.
not working anymore.
So thank you for watching. Bye.
Wait. I want to do a surprise.
It's on, you guys. Okay, now.
Oh no! Put it. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good for kids. Wait. Is it still? Chico, stop.
Thank you for watching our video.
That was great.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.